It's getting close to the end of the gun hunt. We're going on a meat run. If it's brown, it's down, and we're using pew pew.
If it gets broad, we send it to God.
All right, didn't get none of it on video. It happened too fast, but I shot two. We finna go see. Yeah, I know one of them folded up. I'm pretty sure I got both of them. Here we go. We finna go track them. Let's go get them. Well, there one doe down. I got one. See if we can find where the buck was standing at. All right, we on the new blood trail. The doe, she back there. This is where the buck went. Let's see where he go from here. And there he is. Ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, guys. I can't get it done with a bow much, but me and this Creedmoor, these are 120 grain bullets that I switched to this year on the Creedmoor. And so far, I like the results, Chucky.
A lot. I like them a lot.
A lot. I like them a lot. We got work to do now. Oh my God. That's right. Okay. We back at the truck. He don't look so big now. But he felt big. God dog. Thank you, Chucky Ducky. Meat run.